COVID-19 virus, they're very smart. They go deep into the lung. When they come to your body, right, immediately they go deep into the lung. It's called the alveolus, our line. It's very, very small. And no any medication currently can reach that level. So lung disease very hard to treat actually, because our medication cannot reach that, except molecular hydrogen. Reach to the deep lung, okay, and help the repair of the damaged cell. So their recovery is faster. China, right? They use molecular hydrogen to treat COVID-19 patients. After they got the infection, they use molecular hydrogen. The effect is amazing. They recover much faster, significantly much faster than the group that without taking the hydrogen. Basically, about COVID-19, food is to help the recovery. They cannot help to prevent, but it can help to reduce the symptoms and help the recovery. So you will get less symptoms compared to other people who doesn't take hydrogen. Hydrogens have all these benefits. First, the most important, non-toxic. We don't want to take something which is toxic to our body and to burden out our body. They are very small size, and I explain why is it important. Selective and synergistic. You may not heard this term, but this one is talking about free radicals in our body. We have good free radicals as well, and we have bad free radicals. So selectively means hydrogen, they are so smart. They can target the bad free radicals and get rid of them from the body, and they would affect the good free radicals. And in fact, it will help to boost up the good free radicals and to help with the immune system of the body. Anti-inflammatory. It can enhance cell signaling and gene expressions, enhance energy and your mental clarity, synergy with all other supplements, so there is no contracting. Sometimes you take supplement, you need to know in overall, right, what are you taking? And they have to complement to each other, they cannot contradict to each other. So far hydrogen, no contradicting to any supplements. Most important is to prevent, okay? Prevent diseases, anti-aging, and in clinical, there are some proven therapeutic effects. And how you can take them, okay? Either you can do inhalation, okay, or spray onto your skin and penetrate through the skin, because they are very small. They are very easily penetrate our skin. They compare to other treatments. We can also use the gas, okay? We can dissolve it in the water, because water is what we drink every day. So water is very easily consumed. So if we dissolve the hydrogen into the water, you can consume hydrogen, molecular hydrogen every day.